Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find Do Not Disturb mode, which should be either here or the next page somewhere. There it is. Yeah, so Do Not Disturb mode. So before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it. And this will take you to the settings where you can customize a little bit further how it works. So number one, exceptions are probably one of the more important options here. You can choose who will be able to reach you even though Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So start with calls, and you have allow calls from shared contacts only. So this is basically your favorites. You can choose other options like don't allow any calls or from contact only, so anybody who's on your contact list or anyone, which kind of defeats the purpose of this mode anyway. Then you have shared contacts. Because I have none, it kind of wants me to add some. And also you have allow repeat callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period and they're, as an example, not in the shared contacts, that would be able to call you. If they call you twice, the second time they'll actually be able to call you even though they were not part of the ones initially that should be able to. So a fairly handy option to have enabled. If for instance someone has some emergency with you, they can reach you, because usually emergency people will spam the call button like there's no tomorrow. So this is just a way for them to actually be able to reach you. And then you have the SMS and messages and MMSs. You have basically the same options here, so you can choose whichever one you want and just go back once you are satisfied. And you have also see all exceptions, which will include additional alarms, media sounds and stuff like that, just different kind of sounds. So you can check which one you want or don't want. And then you also should have a schedule, so there we go. You have turn automatically. So when you go in here, you have a couple preset ones. So you have sleeping and event, and you can also add your personal ones. So let's make a time, name it whatever you want. And from here, let's start with days. So you have all the days of the week. By default, they're all selected, but you can change it to, I don't know, for instance, Monday through Friday without like a couple days. So let's disable for instance Wednesday. So now it would be set that Do Not Disturb mode would be turning on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Tap on done. Then start time. I'm just gonna go with something like a work one, so 9 to 5. So let's go 9. 9, and end time 5 p.m. There we go. So 9 to 5. I also have the option alarms can override end time. You can just enable that, and if you set some kind of alarm before you're like as a reminder for, I don't know, for you to leave work early, this will override the Do Not Disturb mode. And from there you have the Do Not Disturb behavior. Once you tap on it, you have the use default settings, create custom settings for the schedule, so you can also change how this specific one works. If you keep by the default, it's gonna use the exceptions that we have set previously before we went in here. And from there, once you're done, it automatically will be enabled, and as you can see, it already is enabled because of the time right now. So yeah, even though I didn't tap on it, it says Do Not Disturb mode TT, which is the name of this schedule. And now it will be turning on basically as it's set and turning itself off, so you don't even need to tap on it. But if for instance you want to, I don't know, enable it on the weekend or whatever, when it's not gonna turn on automatically, you can also simply just tap on it manually and it will be enabled till you disable it yourself. So that is how you set up the Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.